Pag ganun ko, meron akong nakitang chiki. Sabi ko, ano tong chiki na ito? Natok na ka tong dami. Nung dami.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning everything! Kumusta po kayo dyan? So ngayon guys, alam nyo, tulog pa si Mister. Pero guys, magluto tayo ng breakfast. Gamitin natin itong nakuha natin na ninja na ano, galing sa garbage. Hugas na po ito guys. So, gamitin po natin yan na yung galing sa basurahan. Let's see kung non-stick ba talaga siya. Ninja po yun. Pasensya na gano'n ako kasi mahirap naman mag-gano ng fried rice at saka scrambled egg. So, ang unahin ko po is, ano bang unahin ko? Egg or rice? Let's see. Tulog na tulog si Mister. So, let's see. Sis ng steak. Pero parang matagal siyang mag-init. Kasi makapal kasi siya, guys. Makapal. Makapal yung mukha. Magpunta kami sa isang bahay, guys. So, yun. Siya guys kasi non-stick talaga siya as in maganda siya. Ninja, hindi talaga siya nag-stick guys. O kitang kita niyo naman hindi talaga, wala talaga. Magandang kuha po natin ito, nagagamit natin sa bahay yung mga nakikita natin sa basurahan. Look, hindi talaga siya mag-stick, as in. Walay. Tosino po ito, guys, Binabrown ko lang siya. Luto na po ito, pero gusto ko talaga yung parang nag-crunchy na yung brown na yun siya. And good afternoon! Good afternoon! Han? Can you bring 2 battery? I'll do it. So, punta po kami sa isang bahay. Hello, you guys. Behave over here, ha? You guys behave. 2 baterya. Kasi po, punta tayo sa New Rochelle para po kukuha tayo ng meal. Hey, bring Isabel this one. Oh my goodness, this is her talk. This is all. A is mom, right?
A is Isabel.
Okay. Why is it A?
Amalia.
Amalia? Oh, she's Amalia?
Yeah.
Middle name? Amalia. Amalia. So, anyway, punta tayo doon. Tignan lang namin, guys. Importante yung mga papilis. Kasi, everyday doon, guys. Everyday may papel. Everyday may darating na papel. So, yun. Kailangan lang naming puntahan para hindi wala. Kasi pang alam nyo ng mga tao iba doon. Alam mo, sa city pa naman yun. And then, merong mga ganyang mga halal. Don't forget the table, ha, Han? Why the boiler doesn't work? Natakot naman ako dun. Akala ko yung boiler sa isang bahay hindi mag-work, patay. Mag-explode yung mga pipe kasi sobrang ginaw, guys. As in, ngayon is sobrang ginaw. Kagabi, nag-snow kagabi. Pagdating ko, galing ako lumabas, kami ni Brenda at saka ni Lloydie. Pag uwi ko dito, drive. Grabe yung snow. Sabi ko, hindi man grabe. Nag-snow lang ba? Sabi ko, oh, snow. Nag-snow na naman. Ay, ang ginaw. Woohoo! Naghukay ako dito, guys. Naghukay ako dito, look. Naghukay. Kasi po, mayroon akong isulat kasi mayroon tayong winner sa ating meron tayong winner sa ating sa Facebook. So, i-announce ko na lang siya through live. So, ngayon, pag hukay ko dito, ganun ito, ganun. Ganun. Pag ganun ko, meron akong nakitang chiki. Sabi ko, ano tong chiki na ito? Ano tong chiki na ito? Kay Tami man ito nakapangalan. Alam mo magkano? $3,000. Ano to? Last year, November 11. Bakit andito sa sa sakyan ko? Look, oh, ipakita ko. Ay, wag lang ipakita kasi baka maano nito. Iwan ko, hindi man niya ito diniposit. Hindi man niya diniposit ito. Sabihin ko nga, ala ka, iba pa naman itong mga chiki kapag hindi mo ma-deposit ng maano siya ba? Yung tawag nun, yung parang hindi na siya iwan ko kung ilang months dapat. Itong si Tami, November. Ano klase ito? Parang problema, hindi man lang inasikaso. Yung mga dapat i-deposit. Ang laki pa namang amount nito. At andito sa sasakyan ko, bakit andito? Dito niya, bakit? Ay, ginamit ba niya tong sasakyan ko? Hindi ko alam. Pero yun, so meron. Uy, naku, kalungka talaga to, guys. Ay, November 1 pala, not 11. From Alma Bank, Astoria, sa Queens man to. Iwan ko. Paminsan talaga yung asawa ko, no? Ang dami naming nakikitang chiki. Nung naglinis kami sa bedroom niyang old bedroom, ang daming chiki, guys, na galing sa kundo. Tagpa 500, hindi diniposito. Ano yun? Renta ng kundo. Marami, guys, hindi niya diniposit. So, kaya swerte yun talaga yung babaeng yun na nag-rent sa kundo niya noon kasi si Tami, mahina siya sa papel ba? Yung parang mahina siya sa papel. Yung parang mag-asikaso ng papel. Mahina siya sa ganun. Pero magaling yan sa iba. Pero pag sa kanya na parang, iwan ko, parang weakness niya. So, guys, nakalabas na si Mr. Ang gagawin ko po is, nakaupo. I'm going to slow down a little bit here because I'm going to talk to my husband. So, tanungin natin siya, guys, kung anong gagawin niya. Kung ano yung gagawin niya. Nakarating na siya, he bought cat and dog food. And same lang yung problema that they don't have a lot of food. Even dog food,
Yeah.
You went to the dog food section?
Yeah.
What you did?
Looks like I know someone.
Oh, they don't have also a pile of food in there, the same thing? And?
No.
So guys, tanungin natin si Mr. So I'm going to ask you. So tanungin natin siya. Okay Tami mo eh. So you're married to me, right?
Let me check those paperwork.
And so so you're married to me. So right now I am normal, okay?
I didn't say that, guys.
Right now I am normal person. So so what if few years later I become like an abnormal, like I'm losing my mind, I don't know what I'm talking, and then I don't know you, I don't know who I am, I don't know my family, and I'm going out naked. So what are you gonna do with me? Are you gonna divorce or leave me?
I'll give you a coat and gloves. No, that's when you need.
You heard it, guys. You will let me go out naked and just give me coat and gloves.
It will be a flasher. That's when you need to be taken care of. You need somebody there to protect you from yourself.
Protect me from myself.
Yes. Because that's when you do crazy things because your mind doesn't work the same as everybody else's.
So you're not gonna... Okay.
So your reality changes.
Oh, my reality changes. My brain is out of my forehead.
I can see it's a big problem. Dementia is a big issue.
Yeah, but are you going to... So you're not gonna be embarrassed?
No.
No? you if that happened to you. I will be here.
Should be video blogging.
I'm going video vlogging. Hold on. So I'm going to video vlogging him if happened to him. That's what he think. Oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah, well, he's got no charity place anymore.
He doesn't know what he's doing. So anyway, so hindi pala niya ako iwan, guys. He's not going to leave me and divorce me. You're not gonna embarrass that your family would say, Tommy, look at that. You're marrying a crazy woman. What? You wanna see something? I know.
No, I tell you, it's a big issue. People.
Well, people.
It's a big problem.
I know, but a lot of people leave their partner because of that.
Well, some people can't. They just can't handle it. But pretty much I can handle most of everything. So.
Okay, you can
That's an
handle.
issue.
So you think you can handle my craziness?
I do already.
Seriously. So now I'm out of my mind.
Slightly.
It's like, oh, Tommy, you really are something. You really is something, hun. So we're in the highway, guys, and I'm driving, and there's a lot of big trucks out of here, and my baby just enjoying the view. And I like driving. Don't get me wrong, guys. I do like driving. Enjoy it for now, honey.
Yeah. It all changes eventually.
You will. I know it. Guys, nandito kami sa Larchmont ngayon. Kahit saan-saan na kami napunta. Pitco, Stop and Shop. So now we're going to another Stop and Shop. And then we're going to ShopRite. Because it seems like walang mga pagkain talaga, guys, yung pusa, guys. Parang empty talaga yung mga shelving nila, guys. So ngayon, drive lang ako dito. Punta tayo sa dito tayo sa Larchmont, guys. Alam ko tong lugar na ito kasi this is where I worked. This area here. So yun, dito ako nagtatrabaho noon. Matagal na. May movie theater dito, but they closed the movie theater. Yun, dito. Mahal itong area na to. So, yun, and next stop is Stop and Shop to buy some. Tommy's worried. So, let's go check. Bakit hindi sila nag-go? What happened over here? What happened? What happened? Okay. Ha? Okay, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Dito ako nagtatrabaho. Dito ako bumibili ng mga kasya kong pag damit, yung mga small store dito. Pero alam niyo ba, ang mamahal, guys, grabe ang mamahal dito.
They're blaming it on the supply chain.
Huh?
They're blaming it on the supply chain.
Why, what it says?
It says canned pet food shortage caused woes on pet owners. Some of the big retailers are finding ways to avert the supply chain issues. Stores like
Okay, this is where I used to work, guys. Look right here, guys. Right here, there you go. Larchmont Movie Theater. Right here. Close na siya, guys. So, what happened to the thing is like the supply, right? The maker of the food, is that what they...
They're blaming it on the supply chain. Like they can't get them in all.
This is an Acura place. Toyota Acura, eh? This is an Acura maker over here. This is where Tommy drop, guys, when we fight, to drop me in the work. He doesn't drop me to work, he drop me over here and let me walk. It's true, remember?
Well, we get to the details.
Remember?
And what were the details?
The details is your pest, you drop me off here.
Tell the truth now.
Honey, oi. That's really
true details.
Well, I said drop me off. And you really did drop me off. What kind of person are you? You listen to me.
Let me out. I don't care. Let me out.
we fight over here, guys. That was long time ago. And we go in Stop and Shop. No turn on red here. Hi, guys. Hoy, madali lang kami dito. Yun lang naman yung buti na lang dinideliver nila yung maaga yung sulat. So ngayon dito na sa amin yung sulat. At ang yung bahay, meron si Taming mga traps para sa daga. merong na kuha yung trap. Ngayon, ang baho. So ngayon, tinapon ko. Iwan ko na lang guys. Wala na kasing nakatira. Yun lang pala yun talaga, no? Itong bahay na to, for a long time ako nakatira dito, walang daga. So kapag yung bahay walang tutira, yung mga hayop talaga yung titira, di ba? Okay lang yan. Ibinta naman ito. Malapit na itong mabinta, hopefully very soon. Mamiss na namin itong bahay na ito. Kasi po, look, mamiss na natin ito. Hindi na natin ito makikita mga ilang years. Yun. And then, ang gagawin na lang namin is pabalik-balik dito, titingin-tingin kung sino yung bagong nakatira, mag-park doon sa harap. Yan yung plano ko. Yun yung plano ko. Kasi nakakamiss din itong lugar na to at saka yung bahay, di ba? Ito yung first house mo since you got here. Since I got here in the US, ito yung bahay ko talaga. Itong bahay na to. So, sabi ko kay Tami, pag may makabili nito, yun yung gagawin ko. Magpa-park na lang ako sa harap. Nga naman good ni tao niya. Naman good mo, sige man good mo break good. Ayaw good mo, sige break dia good. Nasa man nila traffic naman nila rin napita good. Nag-usap ni mga tao dari anong nagkuhan man sila, anong nag-drive man eh. Samok-samok naman sila sa dalan good eh. Samok-samok na ang uban din, wala mga suga. Di na ba kayo kakita ng pantay kaya kamada na traffic naman ay alas 4 naman ay sa hapon ay alas 4:15 naman ay sa hapon ay ang isa busy kaya sige chat kinsa man ko'y kachat ani niya ay nga nang naman ko na siya gikuan cellphone good nga naman ko na good guys. Grabe ni traffic dito guys. Wala guys, nalubat na yung cellphone guys, nalubat na. Dito naman niyo guys, nag-charge na siya guys, nag-charge. Kasi nalubat na yung cellphone, nalubat. Naguna-una siya kinsa yung katiks karon ba. Oh my goodness. Wala na yung mga sakyanan guys, gamay na lang guys. Ito nang gunel, kinabuhi na yung driver sa Amerika guys. Ang atong bana. Atong i-drive. Sige na tanik drive guys. Kapoy kasi drive. Anong muna kinabuhian niya? Ya dito siya dahil. Sige na katiks. Nya ako dito. Sige i-drive. No, kamay. Usara ka kamot na kunit. Nya ako dire. Kinuko. Nya lang isa ka driver niya. Lupad ng isa. Lupad. Lupad tumor. Akong asawa, nahadlok na nga ako yung nag-drive. Sige, uy. Nawala siya guys. Tingnan na siya guys. Nanggunit na gina siya. Uy, nanggunit. Nahadlok na gina siya ta. Nahadlok na ka nung tami. Nung tami. Nahadlok na ka. Isa muka na siya guys. Nanigarilya na siya guys. Na high blood na. Na-stress na siya guys. Sa akong dialect guys. Na-stress. Na-stress na siya guys. Sigarilya na siya guys. Nanigarilya. Tingnan niya. Suko na. Nasuko. Are you nasuko, Han? Han? Are you suko? Are you mad? Ha? Guys, dito na to sa highway guys. Sa highway 84. Oh, daghan na kay sakyanan guys. Magbantay na ko guys. Kaya basin madagma ko guys. O, ang isa mabalhin diri sa akong dalan. Magbantay na ko ani. Kaya daghan na kay mga truck guys. Oh, naglupad. Manglupad naman good na yung mga sakyanan daring dapita. Good manglupad. Buti na lang itong mga tao dito guys. Musunod yun sa rules ba. Pero ang uban, digin musunod. Magbinuang yun ba. Magbinuang.
Hi guys! Bahay na po kami. Hello! Sa bahay na po kami. Nakatapos na lahat. Napakain ko na yung mga alaga ko. And then, yun. Coffee na naman siya. Mahilig man sa coffee itong asawa ko guys. Pero itong asawa ko, mahilig talagang yun, mahilig siya magkape. Grabe. And, yun. Kape ng kape. Oh. You leave your coffee. Want one of this?
I order up.
Holy. Oh yeah. How many you put?
One.
You always do that. I forgot.
Try this.
Anyway guys, so dito na ngayon kami. Hindi na ako din magluluto kasi meron naman kaming pagkain din. Yung mga leftover. Tapusin lang namin you know. So yun. And kakain kami kasi matulog akong maaga. Well, actually, I have to do my video. My God, I need to do a video guys. Kaloka ito. Anyway, see you later.